Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to call this video Fading 3D. Pretty easy to make, but it's a pretty cool design, and I could do a little bit better on the next one, maybe doing the interactive fill tool. So if you want to play around with it, it's pretty easy to make. Just take a 6-sided polygon, holding down the control button. That's too big, and let's make it a little smaller and hit P. Pretty important. Let's rotate it 30 degrees to give us this flat side. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take another polygon. We don't really have to do it yet, but we're going to do it polygon and make it a 4-sided polygon. This time, don't hold down the control button and kind of make it elongated diamond shape. Put it about right in there. Don't worry about it right now. And then we're going to take a 2-point line, and we're going to go from there to there. And to make sure we're on the mark, then we're going to take the pick tool and we're going to elongate it. Let's take a 2-point line again and go from here, go to there, and then elongate it. You can't not be on the center of that. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter this time than I did the original. And then take your 4-sided polygon, which is your diamond shape, grab that node right there and click, have it snap to it. Then let's draw another 2-point line. From there, holding down the control button and go there. Another one, control there. So now what you have is that block looking thing. We are going to use a couple of tools in this, and I'm going to stay with red. I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to fill in my 3 parts. Now with this one selected, I'm going to get my interactive fill tool, and I'm going to go from left to right, and then I'm going to put black on that edge, and maybe like right there. Now to make that exactly, I'm going to grab the attribute eyedropper, take a sample of that and put it in there. That's actually a little bit too dark because I can't see the line, but that's fine. You get the idea. Now take this one, interactive fill tool, and go the other way, and then put a little black on that edge. And you could play around with this and do anything you wanted. That's good enough for the video. I am going to go ahead and take my virtual segment delete key and delete these extra lines I don't need. I'm going to grab this and I'm going to Control G to group it. I'm going to bring in some indexing lines showing the center of the page. And then while this is selected, Control D and make a duplicate. Move my center rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it is, but we check it is. And then this time we're going to rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. And that's what you have. Now, we don't really have to take away the line. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I am going to group it together, Control G. And then I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. Take away my indexing lines. This time I'm going to use a rectangle. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, make that black, go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. And it makes it look like the blocks are sticking out because all the black shadowing, and you could play around with this and use different colors and different darknesses, but if you kind of see it, the sticks are kind of fading in to the background. Pretty cool. I wonder what it'd look like if we take away the lines. Looks pretty cool. It's still going to have a little bit of a line just because the separation of your colors. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.